The future is electric. Electric cars are the way to a more sustainable mobility future. For me personally, sustainability plays a big role in my life. I also made a promise after my F1 career that I would pursue much more of a life of purpose. And also in all of my entrepreneurial projects, they're all dedicated to sustainability. Of course, it's not a solution which you have straight away. It's one step at a time, and it's great to see Audi's path that they're taking. I don't really want to give advice to how we can contribute or make the world better in the future. What I can say is what I'm doing. First of all, is eating a little bit less meat at home with my family, which is also healthier, by the way, for my wife, my kids. So we're doing that quite consciously. Then, of course, buying local produce, local farmers, having the vegetables, especially in the winter now, in Monaco, in the surroundings. And then there's other examples, of course, also in mobility, choosing e-mobility to get from A to B. I think there's a quite nice thing here that each one of us can be a role model for others. And I think that's something that we can really pursue. All of us to inspire others around us to also do certain things better. And that's what I try to do every day, trying my best, step by step. Of course, not perfect either. So it's really just about all of us being conscious of it, doing our part, doing what we can. And if we all join forces together like this, then I think we have a very bright future. Progress is trying to do it better every single day and living and breathing that. And this is what Audi does so well as well with their technological progress, reshaping their mobility now with the fully electric models, which is a fantastic step for Audi. And I'm fascinated for that. I love that, how we're all searching to do it better every day. That's great. What is your story of progress?